Hey everybody, what's up and welcome back to today's video guys. And today guys, I'm going to go ahead and be showing you how to go ahead and delete a Craigslist ad. This is a very simple thing to do, so make sure to watch this quick and easy video till the very end, follow my steps correctly, so you can make sure this works the same for you and you can do this yourself. But yeah guys, let's get straight into it. So the first thing we want to do is to go ahead and open up the official Craigslist website if you have not already, right here craigslist.org, and once you open it up, this is going to be the main page you're greeted by. From here, from this home page at the top of the screen, you can go ahead and select your location if it isn't already automatically selected, and from here in the upper right corner you can go ahead and open up the account tab. This is what we're going to need to use. You're going to go ahead and sign up for an account if you do not already have one, so you can go ahead and get started posting ads. If you have one and you want to delete a post from one of your accounts, just log in. So once you have logged in, we are now going to go ahead and be able to access it right here. So click on your account tab in the upper right corner. It's going to open up this new account menu. From where at the top of the screen we can see the menu where we can access our postings, drafts, searches, so on. And what we want to do is open up the postings right here. As you can see, currently I have no postings available. So what you want to do is take a look at your unpublished drafts right here. It's going to look like this. So if you have any posts that you have already made, they are going to appear like this in a list right here. So next to the list is going to appear an option that you can go ahead and click on the three dots right next to the post name, and it's going to go ahead and enable you to go ahead and delete that post. So click the delete button, confirm you want to delete it, and you're successfully going to go ahead and delete your post. So I hope this video was helpful. If it was, make sure to leave a like, subscribe to the channel. Thanks for watching, take care, and bye.